Let's say you didn't plan coming here, you just decided on the spot and you probably didn't pack everything and you probably forgot a few things. If you have forgotten anything while packing, I am sure you will find it in our retail shop, Surf and Sand. So this is our retail store, Surf and Sand. We have a lot of items here that we think you will need. For example, caps. I got one myself. And some sundresses. We have Hawaiian shirts if it's too hot. And this is our toiletry items like the shampoo, the soap, the moisturizer, and we even have Odomos for mosquitoes. We also have souvenir items like our tiki mug, phone chargers, if you forgot to pack your phone charger. We have some toys, sunglasses, some accessories, and this is our swimsuit section. So if you forgot to pack a swimsuit, you can purchase it from us. We have all the varieties. We have the lycra, we have the burkini. It's just a t-shirt, but it's long.